Well, hello there, I'm Détroit. I know I don't really owe anything to you, but I still wanna apologize. Indeed, this week again, the video I'm giving you doesn't have a voiceover detailing all the thinking that went into the drawing. I don't have time to tell you about my process, my technique, my choices, etc. I'm currently writing my thesis manuscript. But first, you know what? Recently, this channel of mine has gained a lot of new subscribers, like 50 in the last 30 days or so. That's great! Thank you so much, and welcome on board! So, if you don't know me, here's a recap. I love drawing, and I want to make that my job someday. I also tell stories, and I love making videos with all that, chatting with you about stuff, etc. But for the meantime, drawing isn't my job. I'm a PhD student in condensed matter physics, and my PhD ends at the end of the year. I'm currently writing my thesis, the 100 or so pages long document retelling in detail what I did in the last 3 years. When I last talked about it, I said I had something like a month to finish the manuscript. That was like 2 weeks ago. Turns out I only had 2 weeks for that. And so that's what I've been doing non-stop. I have 4 days left. Nevertheless, I still wanted to show you a drawing. So if this is the first time you're watching me, know that this video isn't representative of my content, and I invite you to watch literally any other video of mine after this one is over. I'm gonna stop talking now. I only allowed myself an hour and a half to voice this, edit, and upload the video. Have fun, I'll see you in a bit. Oh, and we're getting closer and closer to 1,000 subscribers, so invite a friend, it'll be fun. Bye!